Yo, what's going on, man? Yes, my baby girl made me a good picture for my 500 subs, baby. Getting there. Yo, shout out to the fam. You know what I mean? They keep track of that stuff for me. I wasn't even paying attention. And she just came down and brought me this. I'm down here wrenching, man. You know, wrenching on the 8. I got a video coming soon with that. So stay tuned. I got a video coming soon with that, right? So I'm down here wrenching, and then my baby comes down and brings this, right? Her and wifey come down and bring that for me. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Trent. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I'm sitting down here chilling. I'm sitting down here chilling. Like I said, wrenching away, man. And 500 subs, y'all. I can't believe it. I mean, I made it 500, you know. I'm psyched. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Y'all did it for me. You know what I mean? I love it. I'm just having fun out here, man. You know what I mean? It just actually kind of brings me back to my man Raj A111 at the track. I was sitting there with him at the track rapping, and we talking about the YouTube joint. You know what I mean? And he would, at that time, he had blew up. You know what I mean? And he was like, Lance, man, you got some good content. You know, keep doing what you're doing. You'll keep rising up there, man. I'm like, yeah, whatever. You know what I mean? I'm just out here having fun. That's all I do is have fun. Have fun with these cars and, you know, just have fun, man. Record it. But, I mean, I'm guessing that y'all like the content. So, I'm just going to keep going, keep doing what I'm doing, and keep going from there, right? So, I want to say thanks, man. Shout out to everybody out there. Everybody that comments, man, y'all keep commenting on my videos. I love talking to you guys, man, from, you know, all over the, you know, globe, world, country. I love talking to you guys, man. You know what I mean? Y'all keep doing y'all good content, man. Keep getting y'all numbers up. You know what I mean? And we just, the RC fam doing it, baby. You know what I mean? We just doing it. So, let me get back to this video, man. I'm not even gonna make this a long, you know, shout out video, nothing like that, but I just want to say thanks to everybody out there for, you know, watching my stuff, man. Like I said, I got some things coming for you guys. Like I said, I was able to get the 8T out for a little bit of test and tune. I haven't really driven that thing in some time, but you know, I'm able to get the what else I was able to get out there? I was able to actually get out my race cars. My race nitros. I really haven't driven them in a minute, but I wanted to get some fuel through it. And you know, I've been running that Triton engine in the truckie, so I'm trying to get that going. I got my 10th scale. Matter of fact, the rest of this video is gonna be about my 10th scale that I just bought. Yes, I just bought a 10th scale. So hold tight. You're gonna see that video in a second because I'm gonna continue this a little bit further. But also I got a surprise. Yeah, I got a surprise for you guys, man. I got a surprise for one of my platforms. I ain't gonna tell you what it is yet, but stay tuned for that. All right? So without further ado, I wanna say thank you again. And we are going to continue with this unboxing. All right? Stay tuned, buddy. I'm out. Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, in the last video, I mentioned that I had a little surprise for you guys. Actually, I'm excited, really. This is probably, well, this is basically a living of the past, basically, for me. When I first got an RC, I remember my first car, man, that junk got me so excited. My brother actually put me down with it. You know, he put me down with RC cars from the very get-go, probably 30 years ago, maybe 33 years ago. I know it's showing my age and all, but he got me into it, right? So, you know, everybody remembers their first car, and I was determined to find my first car again. Long story short, I found this. So let's go ahead and open this up. Shout out to my man Mark for getting this to me in a timely fashion. Look like it's all packaged up good. Oh, and also this is my first purchase off of Facebook, so I was scared as a mug. You know what I mean? It ain't like eBay where you got like I don't know, I just feel more comfortable buying stuff on eBay or something like that, or if I'm on Craigslist, if I'm buying it straight up in your face. Even on like OfferUp and Craigslist where they talk about they can ship it to you, I don't even like that. But I was a little nervous about this, but the guy seemed like he was okay. You know, we did a couple instant messages, and you know, it looked like it showed up and a good packaging. So I gotta give him a shout out for that. So Mark, if you're watching this video, I appreciate it. Let's get to the unboxing. So let's see. He did a good job with packing this thing, that's for sure. So I don't know if y'all can see that. There go the box. Let's get this out of this big box and I'll show you the smaller box. Hold tight. Alright, here we go. What does that say? Team Associated, man. Dude, I'm so excited. I really can't explain how excited I am right now. So this was my first RC car ever to get me into the hobby. You know, everybody has their first. Some people had like the Grasshopper and stuff like that. All right, so sorry about that, guys, but trying to get this open. Wife came down here talking to me, but anyhow, so where was I at? You know, some people's first cars is like I said, the Grasshopper or the Hornet or anything like that. Well, mine was the RC10. And like I said, in order to find a good RC10, I mean, people are asking stupid prices for these things. It's crazy, especially still in the box. They were asking crazy prices for this thing. But I got this one. Like I said, it probably isn't in too good of a deal. I mean, too good of a shape. The pictures look good, but you know how that goes. They said pictures worth 1,000 words, but anyhow. So I told you guys I was getting the 10th scale. Now, does any old 10th scale? No, I wouldn't. I just could not buy it unless it was for my wife. I mean, or my daughter or my son or something like that. But it was for me. So 10th scale, RC10. This is the classic RC car. I don't care who you are. If you don't like this, something wrong with you, man. But the original box, all right, pretty good shape from what I can see. Let's see if we can show this. All right, $290 back then. That's crazy. Can you imagine? It's crazy. Made in America, baby. All right, let's open this up. See what this thing looks like. I'm actually kind of scared, but here it goes. All right. Well, so we got a little bit of artist work. Probably somebody's kid drew on there, so I ain't sweating. Like I said, I doubt it very seriously. I'm going to be running this car. This is going to be pretty much just sitting on the shelf. Just conversational piece, basically. All right, let's pull this out of here. I'll move this box off to the side. All right, let's open this up. Dude, my man Mark did a good job with packaging this joint. I mean, looks like nothing moved. Everything like it's in good shape. It's crazy. I can't believe I actually got one of these things, man. Look at that. Look at this, man. RC10 now. Who would have thought it? I'm gonna tell you the truth. This thing definitely looked bigger when it was back in the day. I'll tell you, it definitely looked bigger back in the day. But pull the body off. I'm gonna get a new one of these. Some grease on there. I'm gonna get a new one of these bodies. I'm gonna get something original also, but some better paint than this. All right, so let's do some close-ups. All right, like I said, transmissions here. So I'm gonna go through that. Make sure that's good and clean. I don't even remember anything about this thing, to tell you the truth. So I'm gonna get some manuals on it. Tires, everyone there. Like I said, chassis is in pretty good shape. All right, chassis is in real good shape. I gotta get the front body mount. I don't have a wing. I need to get a wing for it. Wheels and tires are all stiff, aged. I might see if I can find me another set, but these are, like I said, these are the originals. Maybe I can clean these up. I don't know. All right. I just can't believe I could pick up one of my RC cars in one hand. I love this car, man. I mean, it just puts a smile on my face looking at this joint. All right, like I said, here's the bottom of the chassis. A couple scratches here. Arms look good. All right, front. Couple scratches, not bad. Yep. So you can see that A stamp on there. Yep. So let's turn this around a little bit. Look at the shocks. Old school technology. Don't feel like it has any fluid in it, to tell you the truth. I feel like it's just spring. Look at that, won't even rebound. Oh man. Alright, so here's a sway bar. Like I said, I don't remember mine ever having a sway bar on it. I mean, I can't look how thin that thing is. It's crazy. But like I said, I'm excited. Nice little project for me to do. I will be, doing updates on here on YouTube, letting you guys see about it, so y'all can venture through this. I don't know what you want to call it, pass with me. But I think I'm gonna have mine. I think I had like Proline wheels with. I raced mine pretty much on the street, so I think I had like some street tread designs on it. But like I said, I'm keeping the knobbies, keeping the ribs, and like I said, this will be. Just for a shelf, man. A nice conversation piece. I know my brother is gonna be like wild with this, seeing this. That's crazy. All right, guys. So y'all see my little project. Like I said, I'll be doing updates here and there, showing everybody how it's going. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna get another body. Not a fan of this one at all. I mean, the shape of it is perfect because I think this is the original RC10 body. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Comment below, let me know. But yeah, I'm getting rid of this one. I don't like that paint scheme on here. I like somebody did it with a brush, actually. All right. So it's your boy Crucial RC, man. And I will holler at you next one. All right, guys. Y'all stay safe out there. All right, I'm out.